In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect Gumroad to Google Sheets for automatic sales tracking. First, open Gumroad and an automation platform like Zapier or Make.com in your browser. Log in to your accounts before starting the setup. Once you are inside Zapier or Make.com, create a new automation workflow. Now choose Gumroad as the trigger app. For the trigger event, select New Sale so the workflow runs automatically whenever someone purchases one of your products. Next, connect your Gumroad account using your API key. To find the API key, open your Gumroad dashboard, go to Settings, then open the Advanced section and copy your API key. Paste the API key into the automation platform and finish connecting your account. After that, choose Google Sheets as the action app. Now select an action like Create Spreadsheet Row, so every new sale is automatically added to your spreadsheet. Then connect your Google account and choose the spreadsheet and worksheet where you want the sales data to appear. Next, map the fields you want to track such as buyer name, customer email, product purchased, payment amount, purchase date or transaction ID. Once everything is configured, run a test to make sure the data is added correctly into your spreadsheet. If the test works successfully, publish or enable the automation. Now every Gumroad sale will automatically appear inside your Google Sheets document in real time. You can also create monthly tabs, revenue summaries, or formulas inside Google Sheets to organize your sales data more efficiently. And that's how to connect Gumroad to Google Sheets. Thanks for watching and goodbye.